What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another video. I couldn't wait until we're on vacation in San Diego in 2 weeks. I wanted to show you a little bit of last year's vacation. We also went around Valentine's Day too, just me and my fiance. This is last summer though. I forgot around what time, but we're cruising around over here, Mission Beach boardwalk. There's just something about cruising the boardwalk on the bike. It's just a vibe. It's all a vibe. Mission Beach, jetty, Ocean Beach in the background right here. My beautiful fiance, the kiddos. Yeah, it's just beautiful. I love San Diego. It's so great. So much to do out here. So amazing. Once again, we're at the beach. And I'm going to let some music roll. Let you guys enjoy. Amazing. San Diego's so great. So many things to do, so many things to see. Just soaking in the sun. It's truly is beautiful. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe. I have a bunch of content to come. Yeah, have a blessed day, guys. Thank you to everyone.